Okay guys, I just want to show you my go-to setup. I finally found a case that's compatible with any MagSafe devices. So the charger actually works on it because of this shape right here, this design. The ring is pushed up where it's supposed to be. Because normally when you get these for Android, they're like down here and they don't go over the camera lens. So this one fits this perfect. Bam, like that. Of course it's going to go over the camera lens a little bit, but the point is, if you get this design, it's not going to be as far down here and it's going to charge and work perfect. So I finally found something that's 100% compatible with my device. As you can see, it has a flip door to protect the lenses. But my go-to right now, because I'm going to start doing live vlogs, is this puppy right there. This guy right there. Look at that. Now, this does come out right here. So this is just a Bluetooth key to, start, stop, record, not, whatever. I'll never connect anything to my phone, especially if I don't know what company, what it is. And of course there is none. But if you wanted to, you could Bluetooth it to your device and just use it as a press button. It does recharge by itself, and it does have a magnet. So when you charge this, it charges that. It does have a charging port here. And this is going to be my go-to for blogging. And of course, you can use it this way if you want to go sideways, angle, whatever, because you guys know it twists, right? And it is strong, so it ain't moving. So you can twist it around. But the reason why I like this so much is this my best feature on it. When you take this off, there's multiple different ones. I chose the one that has a mirror right here so you can do selfies. And my favorite, you can put like different shades of lights on it. Look at that. You can adjust the shading of the light when you want to do a selfie. So in other words, you do a selfie with the best quality camera, the rear camera, and that's the best quality camera. So you can hold it like this, you can hold it like this or whatever. So it's pretty cool. I like that. And if I decided I want to get something that uses the other camera, of course, the regular selfie camera, I got this puppy right here. Again, it has a little eye on it. So you just go right here. So if you want to use a good camera, you can. Now, if you want to do a selfie, you just pop it. Oh, hold on. Technical difficulties. There we go. You pop it up like this. And of course, you can face it, do selfies, and then you turn it on. Let me turn it on real quick. Yeah, you gotta charge the batteries on it, but yeah, so you can definitely do selfies like this with it. You can do like full-on selfies with it, so it is pretty cool. I did get this as well because I'm gonna do a lot of vlogging, and I wanted the cool stuff. And of course, this is my go-to favorite one right here. So this one is I click this on right there, no problem. Oh, sorry, wrong side. I forgot I double-sided it so I could put something else on the side. Anyway, you pop this open, and this is supposed to go on this side. Bam, there we go, now it's stuck. And it's my, if I want to do selfies or whatever, I can go like straight up, straight down, whatever you want. You can angle it. But the reason why I got this, it is super thin, and it's also a tripod. I'm going to say I have a Starbucks or something or whatever. I can I can put it down that way. I can put it up this way, whatever. And it just sticks right there. And it's a stand. Also a stand. Again, no names, no nothing, because it's made in China. They have 1,000 different names. You have to type MagSafe and search for each one of these guys. That's how I found these gems. I called it gems because I love these gadget stuff. So this fits in my bag, no problem. I need a little tripod, handheld kind of thing, and this is perfect for me. And it has all these extra bolts where you can do tons of attachments. And I did add a ring because like how when you buy a case or something, it comes with an extra ring sometimes, or if you buy like whatever, they come with an extra ring. So I just basically put it on the opposite side, so I have double-sided. So like, let's say, see, like this one has a ring on it right here. They all come with this. So let's say one side, I decided I want to put this and my phone on the other side. It's double-sided. So now I made it double-sided. So that pretty much was my idea. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. So it goes perfect with this. So keep that in mind. And then I am getting more stuffs. I want to show you guys later. So basically my setup is going to look like this. And it's going to be like this. And I do have lenses that I got too. So I'm waiting for this other case that you can be able to connect a whole bunch of stuff to it. And then I'm going to have, of course, the handle thing on it. whether it's this or something else. So that's pretty much what my setup is going to look like, just that. And then that's it. And then, you know, if I want to use this, I can attach that on top of that with this. But I think this is going to be my go-to setup, and it's going to have like a big eye because this is cool. I'm going to show you guys this thing right here. Now, I wasn't going to show you guys this yet, but the other piece I'm waiting for, it is not made in the US, and it's delayed due to the new rules and regulations, so I'm waiting for it to come. So this actually is a lens, which the other one is going to fit, if I can get out. So this is going to go over the eye, and everything's all going to connect together. It's going to go like that. So this filter is cool. Here, let me show you. You see how it gets dark and light? That's what I like about this. This filter is awesome. Now this one I do have a name for, ironically, because everything else I don't have a name for. This is real good quality, made out of metal and glass. Let me put this back in here. So this one, they actually do have a name for it. It's from this company called Neewer. And that's also where you can get the case at. It's actually called Neewer, and you can actually get the case there. But this is pretty much going to be my, I call it my light setup. Not my professional setup, but it's going to be my light setup. Like, you know, my gadget bag. This is, I'm going to have this right here, my gadget. Oh, of course, the battery. This right here is going to be my gadget bag. That's it. So when I start doing more live streaming and all that, that's all you're going to see. I'm just going to be using this, and it's going to be awesome. So I can't wait to do it. There's one more thing I want to show you guys, if I can find it, because I don't have my full rig set up yet. But this is going to be my full-on professional one right here. Again, no name. You're going to have to check it out wherever. But yeah, this is going to be my full rig setup. I did make the handles myself because this is actually, you know, not the best. It's not metal, but it's plastic. But and that's all I need because my phone is super late. So basically, you untwist this, open this up, and kind of let me show you what it looks like with the phone in there. And then it fits whatever can fit in here, which is practically every phone there is. And like that, and it's going to be my, oh, I flipped it around. But anyway, you guys get the idea. I didn't put it in right because I'm trying not to, there we go. So it's going to be facing that way, of course. And this, you do have all the screws and everything. And you have the sliding ports if you want to put more of these in there. And I do have a microphone I'm going to put in here. So it keeps it more stable. So this one, I'm not sure what I'm going to use this one for, but this was only $7. So it is like cheapy plastic. And I did customize this part to handle, because handle was real cheapy, no grip, and was super thin, almost like this. I was holding it like that. I was like, nope. So I just made my own handle because now it's perfect. You know, just keep you steady or holding your shots. And of course, you got your big, you know, lights going on there. So this is probably going to be for nighttime use or something, or more steady shots or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet, but I do want to go live, but I can't on YouTube because I don't have enough followers, likes, or anything. So definitely help me out with the follows and likes so I can bring you guys more gadgets and more cool stuff. But right now I'm broke as hell, so I can't really do much, and I don't have enough followers or likes and all that to get, you know, to go live, which, yeah, it kind of sucks. But once I do am able to go live, man, I'm trying to get up on TikTok and Instagram right now because I can go live with those, no problems. But right now, this is my setup right here. This is my pro, I call this my pro setup, this one. This is going to be my basic setup. This is going to be my pro setup because it's going to be like real stabilization right here. But anyway, I know I'm going on about it, kind of excited about it. Got a whole bunch of stuff. I do have more stuff coming. I want to show you guys the lens and how this works because this thing is awesome. I couldn't believe that. That's crazy. I mean, you got all these different settings and stuff, and you just twist it. Again, that's the name right there. And Neewer, they do make a cage for your phones. You can go check it out wherever. It's called Neewer, and type in the make and model of your phone. They do have a cage for the S24 and S25. This should be coming out soon. But I didn't like it because it was super heavy and was big. But if you guys are into this cage that's not this, but the size of your phone, they do have a cage for it where there's tons of holes in it where you can attach a lot of stuff, which is pretty cool. But I didn't like it because I didn't like the weight of it. I want something where I can pop in my pocket right after and, you know, use for multiple stuff, not just one use, because that thing made it bulky and super heavy and it's hard to take on and off all the time. So I wanted something that, you know, how often would you use your cage or whatever? If you use it 24/7, then I'll do it. But if not, I just rather have this slap on stuff you just slap on and just go bam, and that's my go-to. You know what I mean? And bam, pop it in your bag. Just boom, boom. And this goes right back in your pocket. That's what I want. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Definitely working on more stuff. I want to get more videos and things in. I think these things are pretty cool for what I need, but you know, everybody got their own intake. But all right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would have got a better view, but I just woke up, so I didn't want my face to be in the video because, yeah, I just woke up. I didn't shave or anything today, so so you know how that goes. So, all right, let me know what you guys think.